Never use silicone instead of the correct mechanical seal when installing a toilet. Start by choosing the right flange height and a proper wax ring or foam gasket rated for your floor type and flange offset. Ensure the flange sits level with or slightly above the finished floor to prevent compression failure of the seal. When placing the wax ring, compress it straight down by lowering the toilet evenly over the bolts without rocking or sliding, so the ring forms a continuous seal. If you must adjust, lift and reposition rather than slide. Tighten the closet bolts evenly in small increments, alternating sides to keep the base flat and avoid cracking the porcelain. Use a torque-limited wrench or stop when snug plus a quarter turn to prevent overcompressing the gasket and warping the toilet base. Finally, test for leaks by running water and applying a low-pressure flush while checking the base and the closet bend connection for any seepage. Common mistakes include substituting silicone for a mechanical seal, which cannot provide the proper compression and will allow slow leaks over time, so always use a wax ring or foam gasket designed for toilets. Another is undercompressing or overcompressing the seal because installers slide the bowl into place or over-tighten bolts. Place the bowl straight down and tighten bolts incrementally until snug. A third issue is improper flange height or damaged flange, causing the seal to fail. Repair or raise the flange with a flange extender so the seal sits correctly. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners connect with local contractors and share real project experiences in our discussion community. We also help contractors find work and engage with homeowners through project posts and community conversations.